In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change Instagram profile picture. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, tap at Edit Profile and then Edit Picture or Avatar. Then it will prompt you to choose a photo from library, import from Facebook, or take a photo. I'm just gonna tap at Choose from Library. That will open up my camera roll, and then I can choose any photo from my camera roll, just like that. And then also you can pinch it to scale, just like that. And once you've done with that, tap at Done. That will immediately change your profile picture on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.